Language.
1. Listen and repeat the following questions from the conversation in Getting Started. Pay attention to the intonation of yes, to no and WH, to questions.
1. What are you looking for?
2. What is further education?
3. How are they different?
4. Will that lead to a bachelor's degree?
5. What are your plans for the future?
2. Listen and repeat with the correct intonation. Then practice saying the sentences with a partner.
1. How much does it cost to study in Singapore?
2. What types of programs does the university provide?
3. Where can I apply for scholarships to study overseas?
4. When should I send my application form?
5. How can I apply for a scholarship?